We know you're the proud owner of a 2019 or newer next generation Ram 1500, and now you're the proud owner of a DualLiner. Let's start by differentiating between the classic and the new body style 2019 Ram. For starters, the bulkhead panel on the classic model has a grid pattern across it. The new body style is vertical ribs. Also, on the sidewall, you'll notice there's 2 raised pillars on the new body style. Those are not in the classic bed. Let's get started installing your DualLiner in 4 easy steps. Step 1 is to install the load guard. Make sure the panel goes in front of the factory hardware, over the rail, snap in place. Step 2, install the sidewalls. Start at a 45-degree angle and slide the panel up into place. Here's a tip. Make sure the sidewall is underneath the rail cap in the back. And if you're noticing any pinching or warping, these factory rail caps have push pins underneath them. Make sure you're not hung up anywhere along the sidewall. Now we're going to repeat on the other side. Keep in mind, if your truck comes with the optional factory LED bed lights, it does come pre-trimmed. Also, if you have the cargo rail system, we have formed loose guides on the back side of the panel that you can drill out to 3/8 inch for install. Step 3, install the heavy-duty 3/8 inch thick zero skid rubber floor. Start at the front, install one side all the way back, and then repeat on the other side. Now that the rubber floor is installed in the channel on both the driver's and passenger side, you'll notice the underneath there's nubs which allow for airflow and drainage. The ribs on the top side keep your cargo in place. And keep in mind, this has been rolled in a box for shipping. It may take a couple days for it to settle. Step 4, install the tailgate panel. We'll start by reaching into our toolbox and getting a T30 bit, and in the DualLiner box with your installation pack. Keep in mind you want to use a hand tool so you don't strip the screws. And you're going to remove the 6 perimeter hardware screws. So now that we've reattached the tailgate panel using the factory hardware, you can also use the optional double-sided tape included in the DualLiner kit to secure the bottom half of the tailgate panel. That's it. Now your DualLiner is completely installed. And here's the dual technology. Hard custom-fit dent protection panels for the sides, heavy-duty zero-skid rubber floor for the bottom that won't trap water and allows for airflow, dent protection, cargo protection, and your truck is protected for a lifetime. Now that you have the only bed liner that works, don't forget to jump out to our website at DualLiner.com and register your lifetime warranty. Now that you've experienced the only bed liner that works, share this video with a friend. And don't forget to reach out to us. We'd love to see your pictures and videos at DualLiner.com, on social media, and on YouTube. And thank you for supporting our family business of American-made products.